How to design a stunning Jhumar chandelier for your living room with simple DIY. Imagine walking into your living room and the centerpiece is something you proudly made yourself, a sparkling Jhumar that reflects your unique style. Let's create an affordable, easy-to-do chandelier that'll make your living room glow with elegance and warmth. Creating your own Jhumar isn't just budget-friendly, it's a fulfilling experience. It's a chance to express your creativity while giving your space a personal touch. Let's unlock your inner DIY designer and make your dream chandelier a reality. Before we dive in, gather these essentials: wire frames, string lights or LED bulbs, glue gun, scissors, crystal beads, and any decorative items matching your theme. These easy-to-find supplies are all it takes to build something eye-catching and practical. Don't worry if you're missing any item, you're free to substitute with what's available at home. DIY is all about improvisation, so have fun while curating your materials. Start by creating a circular or layered base using the wire frame. The base should be sturdy to hold the weight of your decorations. Secure the layers with wire threads or adhesive. Attach string lights or LED bulbs around the framework. Make sure to test the bulbs first for brightness and spread them evenly for a balanced illumination. String your crystal beads, pearls, or any lightweight decor items along the edges and tiers of the framework. Alternate designs, mix colors, and create patterns for a luxe, customized look. Use a glue gun or wire to fasten any loose ends, ensuring durability. Hang the chandelier from your living room ceiling. Double-check its stability to avoid accidents. Keep your room's decor theme in mind while choosing colors and materials. For modern settings, go with minimalist designs and metallic accents. In classic spaces, crystals and warm lighting can evoke timeless charm. Add faux flowers for a softer look or tassels for a boho vibe. The goal is to make your Jhumar harmonize with your space while standing out as a creative masterpiece. Why settle for store-bought when you can create something truly yours? Start your DIY Jhumar project today and bring a dazzling, personal touch to your home decor. Share your finished masterpiece with us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects.